pulled up the Paradise Point on the Gold Coast, and we're going to cook eggs on toast. Nice little spot. Alright. This is the kit. We got eggs, avo, sourdough bread. That's what we're dealing with. And obviously some other little bits and pieces. Alright. First thing we want to do is get our pan heating up. We've just shifted because the wind was going to blow the flame away from the pan. Alright, so the pan's heating up. First thing we're going to do is heat the bread up. And we want to get a nice amount of olive oil on the bread to make it taste good. Flip that over. I think we'll try and make some little little fritters as well, why not? My little grater, chopping board. Would you leave the skin on? That bread's getting good already. Alright, so we've grated our potato, you saw. Now we're going to got some garlic powder, olive oil, pepper, salt, bit of bragg, seasoning, and we'll get this out too. Crunchy chili oil from Soka Pantry Co. We got this the other day. It's pretty good to add to something. Alright, we can fit these potato little things in here. So I'm just going to add some oil. I'm just going to get a little blob and just might go a bit higher on the heat. Just going to add a bit of garlic powder. Give a bit of oil on top. Oh. Seasoning. And salt. It smells good. It's a shame you can't really show that through YouTube. Alright, I'm just flattening him down. Stack these toasts up. Alright, let me get another one. Bit of garlic powder, bit of salt, some veggie seasoning, bit of pepper, bit of oil, and we'll just squish them down a bit. That's already cooking. We can flip that already.
Really?
Yeah. Look at that. Alright. So the spuds are done. Well, they're not done. The spuds are on their way. Can I get a shot? I've just had to move it's better to stand. And we just had to put a new gas can on the cooker. So now I think we've taken the toast off just to focus on the hashed potato. Because I think they need the whole pan to themselves. They don't like to share. So we've got full heat back on. And I can hear the pan starting to sizzle, which is good. These are starting to cook, so we're going to flip them. What's that? Oh! That one's not quite ready. Imagine doing this in another country. Different ingredients, different utensils, different surroundings, different people. That's the goal. Japan. India. Italy. Imagine trying to make pizza in the park in Italy. Swing!
You know how we have public barbecues here?
Yeah.
Do you reckon they have public pizza ovens? We got a visitor.
I think when you're cooking with one pan, you've just got to do one thing at a time, and then before you eat, you sort of like heat everything up. So I'll do the potatoes, put them aside, do the toast, eggs, reheat everything. It's pretty much cooked. It's edible. There's a Ninja Turtle. Alright, the hashed potatoes pretty much good. So we'll take them out. Get a look at them. Oh, delish. Move them around a bit. Oh, a bit burnt. Alright, he's pretty much done. Alright, they're coming off. I added another bit of toast just because. Why not? I think it's time to chuck some eggs in. Nothing about. We'll just do two at a time. This is basically a kitchen right here. Okay, so the eggs are in. I'm gonna chuck some seasoning in, salt. Oh, I've just spotted a bit of eggshell. So I've done salt, a bit of pepper. Do you want a bit of brag? Mm-hmm. This stuff. We put it in our chicken soup the other night, and now it's going on eggs. Now we've reached an exciting point. Open the oven. This one is ripe and ready to eat.
We'll soon see
It's a
if it
Hass.
is.
It's a Hass D. Is this like a size like D and there's a double D?
I prefer shepherd.
Hey?
I prefer shepherd. Let's see.
Oh, well, not a bad one.
Not bad.
Certainly ripe and ready to eat. A little bit we don't want. Oh, the ibis are queuing up. So I'll flip these. I just add a bit of oil. Oh!
Yeah.
Is that looking good for you?
Perfect.
We're basically cooking in the extreme wind. But it's working. The eggs are done. Gonna remove them. Look at that. Get in there close. Look at all these little bits of potato, like that character, you know? Oh yeah. Toast is in. Now I can put avo on this toast. Oh. Is that enough or too much? Or
That's perfect.
what do you want on the avo?
Salt.
So that? I'll keep. Alright. These plates are a bit small. Bit of crunchy chili oil. And where do you want it? Just on all over?
Yeah.
Or did you want the potato on there like that?
Yeah. Perfect.
Okay. There you go.
Yum.
Eggs on toast with avo and chili oil. Mine's nearly done. You want to like get me like getting it out? Alright. Let's taste it. That's good. Biased, but I think it's good. See you next time. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far.